The Union Cabinet has approved India's nationally determined contribution for the period 2031 to 2035, enhancing the country's ambition under the UNFCCC and the Paris Agreement while reinforcing its commitment to sustainable development and climate justice. Briefing the media on the Cabinet's decision, Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said that India is committed to reduce its emission intensity of its GDP by 47% by 2035 from 2005 level. The country has achieved 52.57% non-fossil fuel capacity as of February 2026, successfully meeting the target 5 years ahead of its schedule. The ambition has been further raised to 60% of non-fossil fuel-based energy resources in installed electric power capacity to be achieved by 2035. Mr. Vaishnaw informed the Cabinet also approved the launch and implementation of the Regional Connectivity Scheme, modified UDAN, for a period of 10 years from 2026-27 to 2035-36 with a total outlay of 28,840 crore rupees. Briefing the media on Cabinet's decision, Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said 100 airports will be developed from unserved airstrips to boost regional connectivity. The Cabinet also approved a 5-year extension of the Immigration, Visa, Foreigners Registration and Tracking Scheme from 1st April 2026 till March 2031 with an outlay of 1,800 crore rupees. News Now.